birthday quads. This is what I got going on. Check this out. That's all I get. And then it starts freaking out. Came up off the bench, it cut my hand. It cut my face up. I don't know if you can see it on there. Don't matter. That don't matter. The motor started spinning up all by itself and doing its own thing. Ain't got a clue. There we go. Everything's hooked up just fine. Nothing's crossed. All the motors are hooked up correctly. LEDs are hooked up just right. Front LEDs hooked up fine. No clue. We really love your help on this.